Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka company Shna Surok jong ka sarkar pedeng ya ka balatip kum ka National Highways and Infrastructures Development Corporation Limited yamenta ka lapan Sangeh Shwa ya ka jing Sorjamin halor ka jing terwa ban Shna ya ka Surok Shillong Western Bypass na ka daw ka jing wan linshop jong ka jing pangklam COVID-19 hagani ka jilla Meghalaya. Kumban supentip pajba kani ka Surok Shillong Western Bypass kani ka Surok ka ban sedang nado umyam bat ka punya so ya ka Surok ka poi sya ka snong maumi bat ka bayakan do pan ya ka Surok ha ka snong banyon ka badan ha hanyo mer upper Shillong.
Nhidcl is still undertaking the detailed survey of this Shillong Western Bypass. They are on the job right now. So I think they are almost reaching the final stage. But due to lockdown, due to the COVID-19, they have temporarily suspended. So hopefully once this situation is improved, they'll be able to resume their survey works. After all the discussion held in each and every village, because this is also, we need to even take the headmen, the landowners into consideration. We have to carry along, because ultimately, once that is done, then they'll go for DPR. Once they go for DPR, again, the process of land acquisition will start. So that's why right now I've already told them, instructed even the Deputy Commissioner, let us start right now, do all the details so that once we get the sanction, we just release the payment to the concerned landowners or the concerned village authority or whatever. Because this is the real challenge for Peludi department as far as construction work is concerned. Unless you carry along with the landowners, with the Rangbashnong, with every stakeholders, in midway sometimes they come unblock. So therefore, these are the issues where the Nhidcl, Deputy Commissioners of both Riboy District and East Kashmir District are on the job to carry along everybody. That you can mention that. Why not? It is true. Because see, the people coming from the western side, I am just telling you, instead of coming to Shillong, entering via Shillong, they will go straight that side. So they don't have to go via this Umyam bridge. So that will reduce the pressure of this dam bridge.